Okay, so this video, I guess, is just how to get the community tab. I got the community tab not that long ago, and, it's not, I don't want to make it sound easy to get it, but, like, it's basically, you just need to get 1,000 subscribers, and I don't, you know, it kind of sounds like I'm making it sound easy, but like, it's not that easy, I guess. So I got 1,000 subs. I think it was like on the 18th of December, and then I didn't get the community tab until like a month later, or somewhere around there. So it was kind of like a little, I don't know. It was kind of just, I don't know. It doesn't happen right away, I guess, which is kind of weird, but I don't know. I guess the system, the YouTube system needs to like register that you have 1,000 subs, but then it's like, why does it need to take like a whole fucking month just to register that? So, don't, like, once you hit 1k subs, don't expect you to get it like right away. Some people said it would like take like a week, and then I waited like a week, and then it didn't fucking happen. I was like, what the fuck? Where is it? Like, I waited a week, and people said it should happen within like a few days or a week or whatever, and I had to wait for like a month or whatever, and I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, what? I don't know, but so don't expect to have it right when you hit 1k subs, or I guess maybe even a few days later. I think people get it at different whatever after they hit 1k subs. But yeah, so I guess how to get 1k subs is a whole different whatever though, cause I've had been up, I've made my YouTube channel, I don't know, a few years ago, and then I didn't start uploading videos until I guess I think more than a few years later, I started uploading videos, and I think I've been uploading videos for like, it has to be for like more than 4 years now. It was 4 years before, but I have to have been uploading for more than 4 years now. Okay, yeah, so my oldest videos are like 5 years ago, 4 years ago, but yeah, I have a few videos that are 5 years ago, and then it goes to 4 years ago, so yeah, I've been uploading videos for like 4 or 5 years, so yeah, it's kind of like, it's weird to see that some people were like, oh, I hit this many subscribers within like a month or two, and I'm just like, what the fuck? I've been doing this shit for like 4 or 5 years, and I didn't hit 1k subs until like, I don't know, a few months ago, and it's like, what the fuck? I'm so confused. I think it all has to do with just, getting whatever videos to get whatever views, and then if those people hit the subscribe button, that's a different thing too. Like, I don't know, you have to like somehow have it where people might hit the subscribe button. Asking for subs is not the way. Just don't do the stupid sub for subs thing. That's gonna kill your channel, and you won't have one. And I think you can get removed from YouTube for that if you do sub for sub thing. So yeah, I stayed clear from that stupid shit, because I think it's kind of just dumb and kind of immature, and yeah, you're not gonna get anywhere with sub for sub. Like, did PewDiePie do for sub for sub? Probably, like, I could probably say 100% no. And then did Markiplier and Jacksepticeye do sub for sub? Pretty sure they didn't do that either. Like, they're big YouTubers, and I'm sure they did not do the stupid sub for sub. Like, that shit is so dumb, and you can get removed from YouTube for doing that. So yeah, don't do it, and it'll kill your channel. even if you didn't get removed from YouTube for it, it would still mess up your channel, and you'd have all these subs, and then no one would really watch your videos, which I kind of have that problem, but I think it's just, like, I don't know, my subs don't have the bell on, and then YouTube also has problems with not pushing videos out to people, so also I'm sure if someone watches one or two of my videos, and then they stop watching my videos, and then they won't get any recommendations for that channel. Like, with YouTube's system thing here, it doesn't really go so much off of your sub feed for being like, hey, here's whatever stuff, like, oh hey, this person just uploaded, which I do get, like, you will get notifications if you hit the bell. But in order to get, if you go to just, the YouTube homepage, you are going to see videos from people and similar videos from videos that you've watched before. So if you watched Markiplier recently, you're probably going to get Markiplier videos, whether it's from him or just, videos related to him or whatever. If you watch FNAF videos, you're going to get FNAF videos. If you watch Overwatch videos, I don't think Overwatch is really much of a thing anymore. It's kind of a dead game a little bit, but if you watched Overwatch videos, you're probably gonna get Overwatch videos. So yeah, whether it's from a certain channel or not, that's kind of a whatever. But yeah, I think if you just watch random FNAF videos or random whatever videos, you're probably going to get random videos, but if you specifically watch a certain channel like Mark, then you're probably going to get Markiplier's videos in your recommendations, and possibly a video or two that's, just related to him, whether it's like an fan animation or whatever compilation thing that's like, oh, Mark's, I guess, laughs for 20 minutes or something. I don't know, some random thing like that it could be, but yeah, that's kind of how that stuff works. So I think for my channel, yeah, people are probably not really watching my videos, and then they don't get recommendations, and so I don't really get that many views on some of my videos. But yeah, I think people just sub to my channel for the popular videos that I have on my channel, and then they just don't really watch any of the other ones because they don't care. But yeah, that could happen to any channel here. I'm sure that happens to Mark and Jack and PewDiePie even. I mean, they get a lot of views on all their channels, but I'm sure it's happened before on their channel. And then other people, you could just look at any random channel and just be like, they got less views on this video and this video and this video. But yeah, so just don't really whatever for, like, if you have a bunch of subscribers and then your videos don't get that many things, I'm guessing it's just because, hey, people subbed for this video or that video, and then they don't care about some other videos they have, so they don't watch it. And I guess that's fine. Like, subs aren't really everything. Like, you should probably go for, just, hey, if people want to watch this video, then whatever. Like, yeah, so I don't know. I feel like I kind of went off topic a little bit there, but yeah, so if you want to get the community tab, just try to get 1,000 subs, but getting 1,000 subs is a whole different thing. You have to try to do whatever videos, see which one works, try to, like, double down on that, I guess, and, go from there. Like, with whatever videos I made, I've gotten a few videos that were kind of popular, and I didn't really, like, do anything else with any other videos to, like, I guess, go off of that, but I did get a bunch of views on some other videos that I kind of tried to go off of and make more videos that were like that. So yeah, you just gotta try to make a bunch of other videos, like some other videos that you have that are super popular. So yeah, you just go to your channel page, go to the whatever thing to see most recent, and then oldest, and then most popular. You gotta check out the most popular and see which of your videos are the most popular and try to go off of those videos and see if you can try to figure out if you can make more videos like any of your most popular videos. So if you got like 100 views and that's your most popular video, I guess try to figure out if you can make another video like that. Or if you got 1K views on a video, then see if you can try to make another video like that. So yeah, it's kind of tricky with stuff though. You just gotta keep trying with that, and then you could try to get your channel to be growing, and then you can get the community tab. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's it for this video. So I guess bye then.